Let's connect your Shopify store to YoPrint so your orders flow straight in. Start in YoPrint. Head to Settings, then Shopify, where you manage your connected stores. Connecting starts on Shopify's side. From the Shopify App Store, you authorize YoPrint to access your store. Once you do, Shopify brings you right back here with your store connected. Before you bring any orders in, set your defaults: the warehouse your orders ship from, your billing and shipping addresses, an order prefix, and how you want syncing to behave. With that done, open your store. Every Shopify order lands right here, and a quick refresh pulls in any new ones. To bring an order into YoPrint as a sales order, ready to produce and ship, select it and click Sync Orders. Grab them all at once, or pick just the ones you want. Once it's synced, open it up, and there's your YoPrint sales order, with the details carried over, ready for production. And whenever you need the original, you can jump straight back to it in Shopify Admin. That's Shopify in YoPrint, your store and your shop floor finally in sync. Try it on your next order.